Thank you for coming in, listening. Oh, wait, before I end, I have a joke, and I was so proud of this. I told M10 and she's like, how did you even come up with this? So get this. Nagasaki. But if it's a bit later, it becomes Naga Atode. Badam. Get it? Because Saki means earlier and Atode is like later. So Nagasaki, Naga Atode. Smack said, yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, put the slippers down. I'm really good at making like dajares actually. Like you give me a Japanese word and I'll try my best. For example, if an apple stops rolling in Japan, then I guess it's ring stop. But piss. Get it? Because like apple in Japanese is ringo. So if it doesn't move, it's ring stop. Yeah. Funny, thank you. I'm glad you like it. You know what happens when you put a cow behind you? Ushiro. Get it? Because ushiro means behind, but a cow is ushi. Oh, I thought of something. If it's cold, it's samui. But if it's really cold, it's all mui. Get it? Because if it's just cold, it's just like some. But if it's like really, really cold, it's all of it. All mui. Yeah. Oh, if you turn the lights off, it becomes baikari. Because if it's light, it's hikari. So if the light's gone, it's baikari. Yes, so good. All right, I'm going to sleep now. Please have a lovely rest of your night. I can physically feel myself losing brain cells from these. I swear, I love making Japanese puns. It's just so, it's so fun, man. You know what happens when you rest? It becomes oyasu. Okay, bye. It's crazy.